Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Well, today is Tech Tuesday. I have recently just picked myself up the new MacBook M2 Air. Now, this is an amazing laptop. I've never used a Mac before, but I'm switching over. I've got an iPhone and I have an Apple Watch and everything like that, but this is the first time of using an actual MacBook. Now, with this MacBook, I got the Air because that's all I needed. It only comes with two USB-C ports, and that's it. But I've got SD cards, I've got other things that I need to plug in. I've gone, oh, I need something that I can be able to connect everything to, that I can get my mouse to, that I can get my extra monitor to, that I can get my SD cards and that as well, and my external hard drives. Well, this little beauty here, the 11-in-1 transparent hub, has come and saved the day. It is absolutely amazing and I love it. I use it every day. It is the ultimate expansion hub. As soon as I turn on my MacBook, I am plugging this in so I can get everything else that I need. It has this wonderful transparent case that just looks amazing, and there's even a little blue LED light in there when it's plugged in. You have so many different ports that you can use as well. You've got both of the SD cards. You can even power your Mac by plugging it in just here as well by USB-C. You've got a HDMI plug and the old school monitor plug as well. So if you want that 4K footage, then use that HDMI and you'll be able to get that. You also have an internet connection there as well. You have USB 3 Type A, you have 3 of those. You've also got a USB 2 Type A, you only have the one, and an audio jack so you can plug your headphones into it as well. Now, this has been an absolute lifesaver for me. I can highly recommend the ORICO 11-in-1 transparent hub. It is absolutely amazing. It looks cool as well. When it's plugged in, you get this really cool blue light so you know that it's working. And it works just like every other hub as well, but you can transfer your data faster because you've got the USB 3, not USB 2, and you have 3 of those. And with the cover just here, you can see the grooves in there. That helps with heat dissipation. So it's not gonna overheat for you, and it's gonna keep nice and cool. It can connect an external PD charger to your laptop with an output of up to 100 watts. That is fast. If you've just picked yourself up a new MacBook Air M2 and you only have those 2 USB Type-C ports, well, you are definitely going to need this 11-in-1 hub. I can recommend it, guys. This is one product that I'm so thankful that I have, because it is just an absolute time saver for me. So if you want to pick one up, there'll be a link to their website below. Head over there and have a look at what other great stuff they have as well, because they've got some amazing gear over there as well. Everything else that I use, I will leave links below and maybe even a coupon code. If you want to pick up an M2 MacBook Air, I'll leave a link below for you to pick that up. Absolutely amazing. I was going to do a full video on it, but there's so much in it and I'm still learning, so that video is going to come a lot longer once I really get into it and really know how to use it properly. If you would like to collab with me, I'll leave my contact details below as well. Please reach out, more than happy to chat. And until next time, guys, I'm Colin from OColin, out.